Still some more example of exercise 8D of Salina book of class 9. So we'll start with question number 8. It is given solve for x and y, where x is more than 0 and y is more than 0. Information is log xy is equal to log x by y plus 2 log 2, that is equal to. So you'll find that this whole explanation has three part. Information has three part: first part, second part, and third one. So what we'll do, this one will be equated to 2 and this one will be separately equated to. So I have written log xy is equal to 2 and I have written log x by y plus log 4 is equal to log 100. For information, this 2 has come here, so it has become log 4. So we'll start with left side. Log xy is equal to log 100. Why? Because 2 is equal to log 100. So what will happen? Xy will represent it as 100. From here we'll find out the value of x. X will come out as 100 by y. Now from here if we'll see, then we'll have to follow laws of logarithm. So x plus y will be, x by y will be multiplied to 4. So log x by y into 4 will be, for 2 we are writing log 100. So x by y into 4 will be equal to 100. What we'll do from here, whatever value of x is calculated, that will fit in this equation. So equation 2 is copied here. So 4x by y is equal to 100, and for x we are putting 100 by y. So 4 into 100 by y, already y was there, so y into y is equal to 100. So this 100 is cancelled by this 100. So 4 by 4 will cancel, this 100 is there. So 4 by y square. So y square will come here. So y square will come out as 4. So y will come out as 2. To get the value of x, what we'll do? X is equal to 100 by y. So we'll put y is equal to 2. So 100 by 2 will give you 50. So your answer will be x is equal to 50 and y is equal to 2. We are in question number 11. Log x plus y by 2 to the base 2, that is equal to log x minus y to the base 3 is equal to log 25 by log 0.2. Again the same pattern. This one will be equated to this one and this one separately will be equated to this one. So at first we are trying to solve it in simplest form. So log 25 by 0.2 can be written as log 25 and 0.2 can be written as 1 by 5. 25 can be represented as 5 to the power 2, whereas 1 by 5 can be represented as 5 power minus 1. This 2 is shifting here, so it will be 2 log 5. Minus 1 is shifting here, so it will be minus 1 log 5. What will happen? Log 5 and log 5 will be cancelled. Result will be 2 by minus 1, that is equal to minus 2. So we can say that this log 25 by log 0.2 can be represented as minus 2. So what we are doing, this part is equated to this minus 2, and next part, this part will be also equated to this one. So at first we are starting with log x plus y to the base 2, that is equal to minus 2. This logarithmic form we are giving exponential form. So what will happen? 2 to the power minus 2 will become x plus y. So x plus y will come out as 1 by 4. We will mark as equation number 1. Similarly, second part was there. Second part is log x minus y by into the base 3, that is equal to minus 2. So we'll write log x minus y to the base 3, that is equal to minus 2. So converting this logarithmic form into exponential form, we will get x minus y is equal to 3 to the power minus 2, which can be also represented as 1 by 3 square, that is 1 by 9. So we have got first set of equation and second set equation. We'll solve these two equations. X plus y is equal to 1 by 4 and x minus y is equal to 1 by 9. Obviously plus y and minus y are cancelled, so x plus x will become 2x, and when 1 by 4 and 1 by 9 is added together, so you'll get 13 by 36, and after solving you will get x is equal to how much? 13 by 72, and you know how to calculate value of y. Now we are in question number 15. Question number 15 says log 49 to the base x minus log 7 to the base x plus log 1 by 343 to the base x plus 2 is equal to 0. What we'll do, this plus 2 will shift right hand side. So rest of the expression is copied on left hand side, like log 49 to the base x minus log this much, and this plus 2 has become minus 2. We'll follow the laws of logarithm. Wherever negative sign is there, we'll do division, and whenever positive sign is there, they will do multiplication. So it will be log 49 by 7 into 1 by 343, that is equal to minus. So this will be 49 will divide 343 7 times. So it will be log 1 by 7 into 7, 1 by 49 to the base x is equal to minus 2. This logarithmic form we are giving it exponential form. So x to the power minus 2 will become 1 by 49, or x to the power minus 2 can be represented as 1 by x square. So it will be 1 by 7 square. So what will happen? X will come out as 7. Now we are coming to question number 19.1. Here you have to find evaluate the value of log a to the base b into log b to the base c into log c to the base a. So already discussed how to represent it separately. We'll write it as log a to the base 10 divided by log b to the base 10. Similarly, log b to the base 10 and log c to the base 10 and log c to the base 10 and log a to the base 10. So what will happen? Log a to the base 10 will be cancelled by log a to the base 10. Log b to the base 10 will be cancelled by log b to the base 10, and log c to the base 10 will be cancelled by log c to the base 10. So what will be left? 1. So that your answer will be 1. We are in question number 19.3. It is written log 8 to the base 5 divided by log 16 to the base 25 into log 10 to the base 100. So log 8 to the base 5 can be written as log 8 by log 5. This log 16 to the base 25 can be written as log 16 by log 25, and log 10 to the base 100 will be represented as log 10 to the base log 10 divided by log 100. In all the cases we are taking base as 10. In all the cases we are taking base as 10. Now what we'll do, we'll general arithmetic will use. This will be here shifted here, so this will go up, this will come down, this will go up, this will come down. So it is log 8 can be represented like 2 to the power 3. Log 5 as usual copied. Log 25 is going up, so it will be log 5 square. Log 16 will come down, it will be log 2 to the power 4. Log 100 will be written as log 10 whole square, and log 10 will be copied as usual. Now this one, following the power law, this 3 is shifting here, this 2 is shifting here, this 2 is shifting here, this 4 will be shifted here. So it will become 3 log 2 to the base 10. It will become 2 log 5. It will become 2 log 10. This one is copied. This can be written as log 4 log 2. This will be written as log 10. So what will happen? This log 2 is cancelled to this log 2. This log 5 is cancelled to log 5. And this log 10 is cancelled to log 10. So what will be left? This 3 from here, this 2 from here, and this 2 from here, and here 4 is left. So 4 is cancelled by this 2 into 2. So 4 and 4 are cancelled. So your answer is 3. We are in a question number 22, last question of this exercise. We have to evaluate 1 by log bc to the base a plus 1 by log ca to the base b plus 1 plus 1 by log ab to the base c plus 1. For this one will represent in a different manner. This one will be represented here log a to the base a. This one will be represented as log b to the base b, and this one will be represented log c to the base c. Requirement, because here is bc, base is a, so we have taken a. So it has been explained as 1 by log bc to the base a. For this one we have written log a to the base a. It is log ca to the base b, and for this one we have written log b to the base b, and log 1 by log ab to the base c plus log c to the base c. Will follow law of logarithm. So it will be, since plus sign is there, so it will be log bc into a, that is equal to abc to the base a, and then this log bc is to ca to b, and log b is to b there, so they will be multiplied abc to base b, and this will be represented as log abc to the base c. Everyone knows that log, if x to the base y is there, so it can be represented as log y to the base x. So this one will represent, this one will represent, this one will represent in the same manner. So this will be written as how much? Log a to the base abc. This one will be represented as log b to the base abc, and this one will be represented as log c to the base abc after reciprocation. And now see, plus sign is there, plus sign is there. Following laws of logarithm, this a will be multiplied to b, will be multiplied to c, so it will be log abc, and for every case base is how much? Abc. So log abc to the base abc, your result will be how much?